Hey guys, what's up? This is Atharva and you're watching SGFX. Yes guys, this is a special video and this video is made possible because of Deepanshu Designs. We have just made a small collab video on Deepanshu's channel where I give a tutorial on how to make a gaming PUBG mobile thumbnail on Android just using Pixel Lab and PS Touch. So go ahead and just watch that video. The link for the video is given below in the description box. And also for creating that thumbnail you need a GFX pack, PUBG GFX pack. So the PUBG GFX pack is provided here on my channel on beneath this video. So if you are here by watching Deepanshu's video, go ahead and just feel free to download the GFX pack. And if you are watching this video for the first time before watching Deepanshu's video, then just go ahead and watch that first and then come here and download the GFX pack. So yeah, that's all. Just enjoy creating more stuff and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.